Documenting a repair I did on a suitcase. These things are damn expensive now hell. So this is a quick new handle from another suitcase. The original bar and this one is gone, so it's broken out. The little pull bar that you use. So I put in a handle and bolts that I'm just going to use this foam here. Stick that in there to just instead of trying to cut that and make that work. This is a broken piece where the other handle is. They've broken it completely. It's not that easy to fix that. I'm just going to leave that. Don't have time right now. So that's where this handle is. So this handle is going to, when you pull on this, it's going to actually deflect here. And the third thing, to the fourth actually, these here, these are wheels casters, which as you can see, rotates. This is casters from a office chair, and they're fully rotating, right? So I put two of those in, and this front tabs, these plastic things, those work fairly easily too. Those have gone. So what I've done is put an aluminum angle bar, and I'll show that at the end. And now with these casters, before with the whole mechanism that you have to pull, which was showing here and in the back and going all the way up, great, everything worked. The aluminum bar, inch and a half by inch and a half aluminum bar, worked perfectly. Now that I put these in, it's 1 centimeter too short. These are about probably 2 inches up. So what I have to do is put a piece of board and separator. So when that's finished, I'm just going to take a picture of that. These foams are to hide out this. I'm just going to stick these in here and probably this way. Just basically cover over these protrusions. Unfortunately, when I was drilling, I did not do the best of jobs. The drill bit actually hook onto this and rip this. Minor matters. This is on its dying days. If you get 1 or 2 uses out of this again, that would be great. And this is what you call cladding, aluminum composite, which is plastic in between aluminum and aluminum. You put it inside the buildings. It's relatively stiff, kind of heavy actually. I just need to find another piece for here maybe, but time doesn't permit me to do that properly. Otherwise I would have gone through the effort of taking these things out and doing it properly. Anyway, just going to stick these foams in and put back up that piece, shoot out at the end, and we'll call this a fix. Get into the finished thing. Foam stuck in, edge of this trimmed because it was cut to the lower here already and it was higher here, and this wasn't lipping over simply because when you pull, there's an additional piece here now, right, a foam that was never there, so they never catered, so it was going like that. So that little piece now it fits over. Right, this is the angled piece of aluminum I was discussing before, with the bolts going through on the bottom, and that's the piece of wood. I just really don't have the equipment because I sent it away right now, so I couldn't cut this exact. So anyway, this is a piece of pallet wood, and yeah, the bolts come through, big flat washers, and hopefully this doesn't degrade and completely destroy. This was the previous thing from them, so as you could see, isn't that great? They went straight through and mashed up everything already. So yeah, I suspect my solution is a little bit better, maybe a little heavier obviously. And then, well, that side I never fixed, and this side that isn't really fully screwed in, but when this goes over here, that's not going to move anywhere, hopefully. Standing forward on top, don't ask. Group of people making noise next by. So it doesn't look too bad. It has a slight angle forward, as